Rich iced biscuits. For this I'm using 110 grams of butter, 225 grams of plain all-purpose flour, 110 grams of castor superfine sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, a few drops of vanilla essence, and 1 egg beaten. For the glacé icing I'm using 110 grams of icing sugar, powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of hot water, some vanilla essence, food colouring of your choice, and some sprinkles. First, rub the butter into the flour. Now stir in the sugar. Beat the egg. Add the milk. The egg. And the vanilla essence. To make a stiff dough. Like that. Put your dough on a floured work surface. Flour the rolling pin and roll out thinly. Cut into rounds. Place them on a greased baking sheet. Bake for 15 minutes at gas mark 4, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius conventional oven, 160 degrees Celsius fan convection oven. Leave the biscuits to cool completely and then make the icing. Add 1 tablespoon of hot water to the icing slowly. Well, the recipe says use 1 tablespoon of hot water. Don't think that's working. I'm going to try 2. Yeah, about 1.5 tablespoons of hot water. That's better. Add a few drops of flavouring. I'm using vanilla essence. Now add some food colouring. Put your biscuits on a cooling tray with a tray underneath to catch the drips and drizzle the icing over it. I found it better to use it with a spatula. Some sprinkles on top. Leave to set completely. And now for the taste test. Very tasty shortcake biscuits with a sweet icing on top. Perfect for your afternoon tea guests.
My pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a train.